I have been here waiting, just staring over snowy peaks, and I just keep on right here waiting, waiting for that girl to come back to me. The sweetest thing that I have heard was the song of my little songbird. The sweetest thing that I will ever see is the day my songbird flies back to me. I said, sing, little songbird, sing so sweet, I need your song to save me. Sing, little songbird, sing so sweet, only your song can save me. Come and rest your weary wings. I don't care who you've been singing to, for I know all the joy you bring, and I'll never in this world hold it against you. I just keep right on waiting, just to hear that sound. Keep right on waiting until I'm 6 feet underground. Sing, little songbird, sing so sweet, I need your song to save me. Sing, little songbird, sing so sweet, I need your voice to save me. Songbird, sing so sweet, only your song can save me. Sing, little songbird, sing so sweet, only your song can save me. Only your voice can save me. Only your song can save me. Only songbird can save me.